Hello, welcome to today's educational video tutorial on how to buy and transfer the graph, that is GRT, from a crypto exchange to your Tangem hardware wallet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to buy and send a graph from a crypto exchange to your Tangem hardware wallet within just a few minutes. If you're new to my channel, I'm Umoren, your trusted money coach. Follow me on Facebook, LinkedIn, and X for more educational content on investing and personal finance. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to like this video for more educational content on investing. Thank you so much for your support. Let's dive in. How to buy the graph and then transfer it to your Tangem hardware wallet. Step 1. Log into your preferred crypto exchange. For example, Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, KuCoin, NDAX. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be demonstrating how to buy the graph on NDAX and then transfer it to your Tangem hardware wallet. If you don't have an NDAX account, scroll to the description area below for the referral link. So go ahead and log into your NDAX account. Once you're logged into NDAX, this is going to be your dashboard. So right on my dashboard, you can see that I have some Canadian dollars in my account. So for me to know the cash value that I have, I'm going to click on wallet. And right here, you can see that I have about 53 Canadian dollars. So I'm going to be using some of this to buy the graph. So go ahead and click on the dashboard. Then right here, you're going to click on the drop down arrow and search for graph, that is GRT. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to be buying $12 worth of GRT. So I'm going to enter 12 and this is going to give me about 21 GRTs. So I'm going to click on buy, click on confirm, scroll down a little bit, then click on agree, click on close. Now we've bought GRT. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see that we have successfully bought some GRT. So now step 2, we're going to transfer this GRT from NDAX to our Tangem hardware wallet. So log into your Tangem hardware wallet. So this is where we're going to transfer the graph that we just bought on NDAX into our cold hardware wallet. So if you don't have a Tangem hardware wallet, scroll to the description area below for the official referral link and don't forget to use my discount code BLOOMING to get 10% off your order. So go ahead and log into your Tangem app. So once you're logged in, click on Manage Tokens. Then we're going to search for the graph. Click on this drop-down arrow here. So right here, you can see that there are several available networks. We have the ERC20, Solana, Avalanche, Polygon, and Arbitrum. But what is going to determine the network that we're going to use? It's going to be dependent on the available network on NDAX or any crypto exchange that you're sending the graph from, okay? So I'm going to repeat that again. For you to know the network that you are going to select here, it's going to depend on the network that is available on the crypto exchange that you're transferring the graph from. So ideally, if you have multiple available networks on the crypto exchange, you will just go with the one with the cheaper fee, okay? So for us to know which of the networks to select, I'm going to go back into my NDAX wallet. I'm going to click on wallet, click on the graph, click on send. And right here, you can see that the only available network is the ERC20. So I'm going to go back to my Tangem wallet and enable the ERC20 network. So go ahead and do that. Then you're going to click on Save Changes. So now you're going to scroll down a little bit to see the graph that we just added. You can see that at the bottom here, the graph. So go ahead and click the graph. Now we want to get our wallet address. And for us to get it, you're going to click on Receive. Click on Copy. So you're going to copy this. So click on Copy. Address copy to clipboard. Now I'm going to paste this address into my NDAX wallet. So for me to make the withdrawal, I'm going to click on Wallet, the graph, click on Send, click on ERC20. And then I'm going to paste the address here. And I want to send everything. Click on the checkbox. So this is the amount that I'm going to get. So I'm going to get 10.9. GRT. So I'm going to click on send. Then I'm going to enter my 2FA. Now I'm going to confirm this in my email also. So I just confirmed the withdrawal from my email. Now I'm going to wait for a few minutes for this to be processed. So while we're waiting for the transaction to be processed, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel. Also leave me a comment below. If you have any video suggestion on any coin or token that you want me to make a video on, also let me know in the comment area below. For those of you that don't have a Tangem hardware wallet, go ahead and scroll to the description area below for the official referral link, and don't forget to use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your order. So now we're going to check back in our Tangem app to see if the graph that we sent from NDAX is now in our Tangem wallet. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see right here that the graph that we just sent from NDAX is now in our wallet. So we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment area below, and also like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, I'm Blooming Umoren, your trusted money coach. Bye bye.